Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have an exciting review for you all. I'll be diving into the world of skincare with kojic white product, which harnesses the power of two incredible ingredients, kojic papaya extract and ordinary kojic white body lotion and soap. In this video, I will explore what these ingredients are, the skin issues they can address, how to use them for effective results. So don't go anywhere, sit tight and watch till the end. First, what is kojic acid? Ask. Kojic acid is a natural substance derived from various types of fungi. It has gained popularity in skincare industry because of its brightening effects. Kojic acid works by inhibiting the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. With consistent use, kojic acid can stop the appearance of age spot, sunspot, acne scars, and melasma. It's a powerful ingredient to achieving a more even, radiant complexion. Now let's move to papaya extract, another fantastic ingredients found inside kojic white product. Now before we continue, if you like this type of beauty content, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will push out my videos to people like you that love such content. Papaya extract is derived from papaya fruit, which so many people call pawpaw, like we call it in Nigeria, which is rich in enzymes, vitamins, and antioxidants. This extract contains papain, another enzyme that acts as a natural exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells and promoting skin turnover. So, papaya extract in this kojic white product helps to unclog your pores, reduce acne breakout, and diminish the appearance of blemishes. It also contains skin-nourishing vitamins like A, C, and E, which helps in rejuvenating and hydrating your skin and giving it a nice glow. Now you have understood the ingredients, let's address the skin issues this kojic white product can help you address. So if you're struggling with hyperpigmentation, whether it's from sun damage, acne scars, or from hormonal changes, kojic acid can be a game changer for you. It gradually lightens out the dark spot and give you an even skin tone, leaving you with more youthful appearance. On the other hand, the kojic acid with the papaya extract targets your acne skin by reducing inflammation, unclogging your pores, and preventing further breakout. So if you have a dull skin or lackluster skin, papaya extract will help exfoliate the dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, radiant complexion. Now, how do you use these products for effective results? Because this is an active product. It's a product that brings out a new skin. Now let's talk about how to use this kojic white product for effective result, because I know so many people use products wrongly and they will not get the desired result. They will start complaining that this thing is not working for me, this thing is not working for you. The problem is you are not using it how you're supposed to use it. Kojic acid is an active ingredient. It's a product that will bring out new skin. When you are exfoliating, bringing out new skins and removing dead skin cells, what do? You have to protect your skin from the sun. As you're buying the product, you are buying it together with your sunscreen, and also buy it with your body scrub, which you are going to use to exfoliate your skin at least 2 times in a week, and start using this product. It will work for you if you use it together with your body scrub and continuous use of sunscreen. If you know you're the type that doesn't use sunscreen, don't buy this product because you're going to burn your skin the more. So that is the way you are going to use this product to achieve a radiant, glowing skin. Try it today and you will see the result in few weeks. Just be consistent. Don't use it and run away. Say that it's not working. Just try it. Try 2 packs of it and you see yourself treating all the stubborn hyperpigmentation and blemishes. Thank you for watching. Remember to watch this video on 5 body lotions you can use and brighten your skin in a short while.